That boil is so good. And then the corn soaked up all that juice nice. I'm sorry, y'all. Yo, what it do, baby? Yo, what's going on, y'all? So it has been a smooth minute. It's finally getting warm here in Colorado, let me tell you for the one time. Today it has been a smooth 77 degrees. It's just beautiful, you know what I'm saying? When the sun comes out, I'm feeling good. I've been in hibernation, that's why you ain't seen me on this channel, but hello. Today we're gonna do a sensational seafood boil. It's been a minute. Actually, I think the last time I did this was around like 4 or 5 years ago when I was a child, and now I'm a grown man. You know what I'm saying? But we do have some extremely fire spots here in Colorado, like to eat seafood, but I wanted to make my own. So today I went out and bought a few things, which I'll show you guys. First off, let me give you a backstory. I love kitchen appliances. I love to cook, as you guys know, love to eat, but I wasn't gonna record today. I'm like, let me just eat this, but I'm like, y'all don't know how to cook, so let me help you. You know what I'm saying? Let me help you real quick. Hit the thumbs up, it's free. You're watching this for free, hit the thumbs up, thank you, thank you. But, so I went and got this all clad 12 quart pot. Basically, it's like a 3-tier steamer, blah, blah, blah. Ended up getting this specifically for this seafood boil, but also there's just so many fabulous things that your boy can cook in here. So geeked about that. The reason I got this is just because I got an induction cooker. I want to do a lot more cooking videos and stuff like that. So this was convenient, just not to stink up my house, but also I can use it for YouTube. Just figured I spent $100 today, so I can make $1 back by vlogging. And so let me give you the ingredient breakdown. So we have potatoes, we have some lobster tails right here and some shrimp. I thought Mary was gonna be here, but she's busy right now. So this is all gonna be your boy. We about to really feast. I was about to call up the homie, but I'm just like, nah, let me just do my thing. Inside the sink, we have some mussels. I love mussels so much. Gotta keep this water on to keep these bad boys closed. We have some crab. Like I said, I wasn't expecting to eat all of this by myself. So I got, what is this, like almost 4 pounds, almost 4 pounds of snow crab, which Jesus honestly Christ, I can eat, so ain't no problem. Now you really want to make sure that you wash this seafood. A lot of times, especially with mussels and stuff like that, you can get a lot of particles and just extras that you ain't really feeling. So if you wash that, you can avoid it. Same thing goes with the potatoes. I washed these just quite a while ago. I even scrubbed them just a little bit, and they've just been sitting here to dry. So yeah, man, that's pretty much the simple ingredients. Other than that, there's 2 other things. So you want to get some type of smoked sausage. I went to Costco and they had this, which is new. I've tried this sausage before. It's solid, but this is pretty dope. It's organic and grass finished. Oh, it's grass fed and grass finished, so that's somewhat healthy. Food magic. I was at Costco. I mean, you can go with Old Bay. You can make up your own. Hot and Juicy has a good one. There's so many different options. You can really go with whatever. Just wanted to keep it convenient. This is pretty much the same thing. So I will be pouring this in once I start boiling the water. Boy Leo got his sack and fox removed. Oh, cone head. Huh? You got the cone on, brother? Not forget the corn. You feel me? This is essential. Now it's time to fill the big pot. Any big pot that you have. You can even use an Instapot. Maybe I'll make a video on how to use an Instapot, because that's a lot easier and more convenient for people our age, you feel me? This is grown man stuff. I know you ain't a grown man yet, but you'll get there. I'm just playing, but we're gonna fill this up. I'm not gonna go all the way because there's a lot of stuff that needs to fit in here and I don't want it to overflow. Fire basket, yes sir. That fits right in there, so when I'm done with the food, just pull it out, pour it. My Jesus, thank you. Okay, so I was gonna cook this outside, but it's kind of hot out and it's easier for me to do a video inside. So got this ready. Induction. Now, a lot of people are wondering, this is so convenient to have, let me tell you, just because you can essentially cook anywhere and you don't got to be refrained to just being over by the stovetop. So I highly recommend one of these. You can typically get them on sale for like $40. I got this at Best Buy. It was $79.99, but like I said, it's usually on sale for $40. I needed it, so ended up buying it. We got this huge pot of water. Set that on there and bring this to a boil. while we're waiting, what I'm gonna do is cut up the sausage and a few other things. So basically everything you're gonna need. You need potatoes. This is all preference on what you want. You can do crawfish, potatoes, corn, lobster. I got mussels, crab, the Cajun seasoning, lemons, definitely need lemons, yellow onions. I just have these, so we'll just use that for now. Garlic is essential. I'm just gonna toss this bad boy in there. And that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, sausage. Can't forget about the sausage.
Hey,
so right
yo,
now I'm gonna cut up the
fuck?
corn and the sausage, and we'll get to the next steps after that. Clove, drop that bad boy in. Onion, I'm gonna cut in half. This isn't the kind of onion we want, only a yellow. I'll throw it in anyway. Oh, that's potent. Lemon, we're just gonna squeeze some of that juice and I'm gonna toss it in. Don't get rid of the lemon. Just throw it in. I'm gonna add extra lemons. Obviously, we got the most important part. Just pour that bad boy in. We'll mix it up. I like my spices. I'm gonna add a lot. Mix that up. Oh wait. Let me just tell you, I am so excited. Now, like I said, I could have easily just went to this local place we had and got this done. But sometimes there's just something about making it yourself, you know? So many other seasonings that you can use. It's really your preference. I mean, I could even mix more of these, but you can go with the Cajun, you can go with the classic Old Bay. You can use, it's really whatever you have locally. You won't be disappointed. So honestly, I didn't know I had this Old Bay, but I'm gonna go ahead and throw some in there. All pretty much the same stuff. And now I'm just waiting for this to boil and we'll be ready to go. Okay, now that we got the water boiling, I'm gonna go ahead and add the corn. We're gonna let that soak up. Now there's tons of other ways you can do this. A lot of people don't add the corn until after, just because they don't want it to soak up. This is really gonna soak up the flavors and they don't want it to be really spicy. I personally don't mind it being spicy, so I'm gonna add it now along with the sausage. We're coming to a very beautiful, sensational boil. Can you dig it? Induction did take a little bit longer just because obviously it is induction, but it's looking right. We definitely for sure overflowed like crazy. It's just because I had too much water in there and I haven't even put in the seafood yet. So make sure you're aware of that. Little pro tip. It just happens. I mean, every time I've made this, this happens. You can just get a little cup, get that juice out of there, because as we keep adding, obviously there's gonna be an overflow. I'm gonna go ahead and just add the crab. This is so overflowed. I need a bigger pot. I knew I should have bought that one at Costco today. Yeah, this OD. I can't even fit all this in here. So we just going with the flow real quick. I had to take all that out and I'm gonna add the rest of the seafood. I'm telling y'all, this is just how it goes. You gotta be able, I'm just going, nah, that ain't smart. I'm just gonna toss this in there. So I took the sausage and the corn and the potatoes out, and I will add them back when needed. But for now, we just gotta fit all this in and make it work. There we go. Got these mussels. Toss them in. It's a full house. A little extra water back in and sprinkle some more Old Bay on there. Whew. Let me just tell you, sometimes things don't always go as planned. I like to eat while I cook. So by the time I sit down, I'm full. This is delicious though, Lord have mercy. Oh my God. We still cooking, got the seafood in the pot. I still got to cook up lobster, shrimp, but
yeah, that brother's starving.
I'm happy. You happy? Hit the thumbs up. Oh, yo, when I tell y'all, we got to get in some better lighting that's premium, but okay, so there's still the shrimp and lobster that I'm working on right now. I just hopped in a live stream, which kind of threw me off a little bit. But yeah, so basically, to make it easier, get yourself a bigger pot if you ever plan on doing this. This is a 12 quart. I easily could have used like a 36. That would have been a lot better. It probably would have took a little bit longer, but I could have fit it all in one pot. But it's looking premium, let me tell you. So I got the shrimp and the lobster going right now, and I'll give you guys a quick reveal. Once that's done, we'll lay it out, we'll eat and talk, and it's lit. We can do it, take the time to be right. We can do it, baby. Do it tonight. Man, I'm telling you, if YouTube let me use copyrighted music, it would be lit, but you know, we'll stick with what we got to. I need a thumbnail.
Hey, who mess is this?
Don't this just look ridiculous? Now I could get some sauce. To dip this in, but since it boiled in such good seasoning, you ain't even gotta worry about it. Now I see why people do this outside. Hopefully we don't got no shrimp falling. We got some lobster. Oh, no! Oh, we got some more shrimp. That is just ridiculous. So, low key, this could be the thumbnail too, huh, guys? Oh, let's go! I would love for you to be able to have some of this, but you can't. All right, can I eat? Get down. Can you get down? Down. 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 Down, Luke. Leo, down. Good boy. So, what should we talk about, guys? We make this like mukbang style. So that's pretty much how you make the seafood thing. Like I said, try to avoid having too small of a pan. But I don't know how I'm gonna eat all this by myself. I might have to hit up the neighbors or something. Basically, just get a bigger pan and all your problems will be solved. You can also make like some butter. Hot and Juicy has like a really nice sauce, which I know how to make, but I'm really not trying to get my hands all dirty like that. So I'll just do a little dip here. The broil was so good itself, so I'm not really worried. Little updates on my life, I guess. I had a viral video, which was fire. You guys can make this video go viral too if you just hit the thumbs up. It's free. And if you leave a comment, that makes the algorithm go crazy. Also, let me know, should I make some more like cooking videos and sit down and just talk to y'all about it? I'm hearing food is a big thing. Obviously, I don't sit and eat like this all the time. I try to work out and eat healthy, but for y'all, I'll eat as much as you want me to, brother. Pause. Yeah, okay, so we tried out the sausage. Very good. Potato. Very good, cooked really well. Let's go in on this snow crab. Now you might be wondering, well, Mike, I only got frozen snow crab. That's okay, I did too. So I boiled, it was frozen. This whole meal was $90. Oh my gosh. That is delicious. Oh my Lord. Get this lobster. I think I'm gonna do, that worked out great. I need some scissors. Should we do it like a real carnivore? Oh my god. This is probably gross. I absolutely hate watching videos where they're chewing and you can hear all the noises. It drives me insane. But maybe you're a weirdo and you like it. That's okay. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Yeah, anyway, back to the whole viral video. I got sent those Air Maxes, and the video has like 2 million views. It's crazy. That was all over CNN, news blogs and stuff. And it's crazy how they like manipulate your perception on my reaction. But honestly, that was a blessing. Shout out to God for the one time. I cannot say He didn't help me with that, because all it takes, guys, if you're a YouTuber, just remember, like, don't quit. It just takes one video to like revive everything. And I've had a few videos hit a couple million, and that's literally all it takes. Like for this channel specifically, all I need is one banger and the vlog channel is back just like that. But I'm not really tripping. I like creating content for fun, but obviously at the end of the day, I have bills to pay, and I've been doing YouTube since 2016 full time, so it's been amazing. This would be sensational to dip in some butter, but we ain't got that. That boils so good. And then the corn soaked up all that juice nice. I'm sorry, y'all. I don't want you to just sit here and watch me eat. I wish you could have some. You know what? You heard it here first. When I become a millionaire, guys, I am going to throw an event, I don't know where, probably in New Orleans, of like a seafood event. I don't know why I gotta be a millionaire. I could just do it now. I'm not a millionaire, not even close. I'm just saying. In my head, I was thinking, oh yeah, if I'm a millionaire, then I can pay for everybody, but that ain't gonna happen. You're gonna have to get tickets and pull up, and we'll just eat. Or I could just say we're going to New Orleans to eat. I don't know. Sounded better in my head. But yeah, other than that, guys, life updates, I'm trying to think. I moved to North Hollywood, Los Angeles, got a place with Sneakerhead in the Bay, my homie Chase. I'm here in Denver right now. This is my home. Got engaged. A lot of cool things, man. I'm not saying that to flex, I'm saying that to encourage. I think there really is something to just living right, man. Just do your best. We for sure ain't eating all this. But I just want to thank you guys for coming by. If you could hit that thumbs up, like I said, I know I keep telling you, but it's gonna let me know like this wasn't a waste of time cooking this food for you and talking to you. If you wanna see more, let me know. It's your boy, Mike. Follow me on Instagram, Mike the Compass. Sorry, my mouth is full. Mike the Compass. Catch y'all in the next one.